Cooper could be facing anywhere from probation to 3 years in state prison, depending on what the judge decides later today. Cooper was a paramedic who administered the ketamine to Elijah McClain in August of 2019. This was after someone had called 911 reporting, quote, a suspicious person. And that is when police stopped McClain and ended up putting him in a carotid hold. McClain had done nothing wrong. Now, Cooper's former supervisor, Peter Cichuniec, was already sentenced to 5 years in the Department of Corrections. But that is because he was found guilty of second-degree assault for unlawful administration of drugs, as well as criminally negligent homicide. Cooper was only found guilty of criminally negligent homicide. Our legal analyst, Scott Robinson, talked about how rare it is to see a paramedic convicted and sentenced for actions on the job. He also walked us through the different factors the judge will take into account today.
The judges look at the severity of the offense, the lack of remorse or the existence of remorse, and the prior criminal history of the accused. Those are all very important in imposing sentence. Community feelings are also considered by judges. There's a whole laundry list of sentencing factors that judges can consider, but it really comes down to mostly the circumstance of the crime and the background of the defendant.
Robinson also said that he is expecting to hear from McClain's family. We've heard from his mom previously after previous court hearings. It is also possible that we hear from Cooper today, but that remains to be seen. Out of the 5 people that were indicted, 1 former Aurora police officer was also found guilty, along with the 2 paramedics. Reporting live in Brighton, Anusha Roy, 9 News.